Hi everyone. Sorry I was little bit late, but this internet just pissed me off. So I am long on GBP USD. Not now, but after price taps to my zone, almost it tapped, but I don't know why the order was not executed. I get good 1:3 over here. I have target of 1:3. Let's see what market prints. And over here I have Euro USD. Let's see how this prints. So I'm making things very simple now. Like making things simple, like not not doing random stuff, but just following my two setup, like reclaim first, buyer slash seller slow down at my rejection area, and second reclaim of my zone. That's it. So nothing more than that. But this GBP USD trade, I don't think it will. By this one pip, guys, I was almost in. But I don't know why market did like that. Why I'm not in? Oh my god, bro. Feels so bad. But leave it. I'm just gonna wait for that to hit over there. But Euro USD trade. This is invalid now because this is already the area where sellers might step in. So what we have is sellers, buyers, scandal. Where is NES? USD CAD. I don't think it will print now, but I would love to see price rejects from this zone. And also buying area over here, but also we can see like USD JPY on 4 hour time frame. Sellers are kind of aggressive, buyers are kind of weak at this moment. Honestly, guys, I just don't want to overtrade today. I just don't want to overtrade because I am not in good state of mind, kind of. So look, this 4 hour must will print bullish mostly. So what we wait for on GJ is break and close above this zone and retest of that zone. That would be very good. US 30 sellers see buying pressure is also still over there, but this is the selling area, the ultimate selling area we have. No, bro. This does not comes over here and goes to my TP. I'll be so sad because almost it was activated. Almost, like, yeah, bro. It just sucks at this point. It just feels so bad. AUD USD on 4 hour, we can see almost we are at the range highs. Hello. You can see in AUD USD price is at a rejection. The rejection zone is over here. So this buying momentum. So we just can't think this will held as this will be held as resistance because the buying pressure is also high. So if we want to take some short term buys or sells, then we can plan for buys off of this point if this gets retest. But on euro, what on US 30 we got nothing. On US oil, it's kind of price is kind of bearish. This candle, sellers are strong, buyers sellers are not kind of strong. Price is just stagnant over a specific area, so we can't play much on this. But on gold, you can see sellers are so strong, buyers are so weak, and also we are at resistance zone. But we can't think of long-term sales because price has bounced from this support. Higher high, higher low. This can be the possible higher high. This can be the possible higher high, but this 4 hour candle has printed bullish. So what we can expect this next 4 hour candle to almost like go upside. What we can see here in 15-minute time frame, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers can't be beat above this price. This means it's hard for price to go up even if we take buys from here because in it we just look for trades like on continuation, just high to high low. Price will not stop. Price will never stop. So in this case, it just stopped. At this stage, it just has stopped, so we can't decide anything more on this. But GBP USD, I think it will hit our entry before it goes up or down. I don't know. This is the area. 5 minute order flow. This is the order flow. Sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. This is the order flow. Hopefully, it will tap now. And news. Is there any news? I should check news, guys. No, not kind of news. Unless this Trump speaks. Yesterday I had to took 200, but because of the Trump news, everything went apart. I am in on GBP USD trade, guys. Let's see how it plays out. My TP is gonna be there is a 15 be at this highs. Let's see. So yeah, I had sales on GBP USD from this point. But honestly, what I am good at and like what I think works for me most and has been working for me most, like I mean, we have stats like right, like which setup plays the most, which setup plays out the most, and which setup is clear for us. We have that stats, right? Everyone has that stats, maybe, hopefully. So in my stats, what I can see and what I saw was I mostly win the trades when I just take trades based off high low buy here. And most of the time I lose when I try to like when the market is like this, and try to enter over here. Then I lose most of the time. Understand what I mean? So from now we just have to set up buyers slash sellers slow down at rejection area. What is that rejection area? The rejection area is gonna be the area like the rejection area will only be valid from if we have a trend, like as I just spoke. If the setups are uh, all valid and are only considered when this thing is seen. If these things, if things are seen like this, like consolidation, and we are here, then no, it's not good. We just take the trades from the trend, then we are good to go. Else we are not good to go. Let's see how this trade plays out. The entry was simple: 1 hour rejection area and 5-minute order flow. So the name of setup is first the direction should be clean. So the direction was like higher low point, and the name of the setup is buyers sellers slow down at my in uptrend. We have to enter on like sellers slow down at my rejection area. Name of setup sellers slow down at my rejection area. So I just bought for this candle to fill the wick. I have not entered in this trade because see, buyers bought, right, sellers sold, and this candle already went to this point, so it is doubtful for me for Euro USD to take trades now. But GBP USD looks good. So Euro USD I avoid just because this candle already hit over here my break even point. So yeah, this would not be the trade I would love to trade today. Still USD CAD. No any order flows. USD JPY. You can see nothing. This just didn't went above. If we can see on 1 hour, if this candle, do we have any order flows over here? Yes, but it's almost tasted, right? So it's kind of choppy. Oh, this trade hits SL, then I'm gonna be done for the day.
খুবের গান প্রশ্ন করছি আজকে সব খালি বলবো